This is week 6, day 1, multiplication drills mixed. So we have June 8th here. I'm going to go through our helpful little hints for doing multiplication problems. Our first rule is to remember that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So if we go here, we're going to go down to row 2. So we've got 1, 2, column 2. So row 2, column 2. We've got 0 times 1. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Then we have the other rule that is 1 multiplied by a number is that number. So if we go to row 1, column 1, 2, 3, we have 1 times 5. So 1 times 5, so a number multiplied by 1 is that number. So we have 5. We'll do one more example in column 4, 7 times 1. So any number multiplied by 1 is that number. Then we have our other helpful hints of skip counting. So you can skip count by whatever it is that you know how to skip count by. 2s, 5s, and 10s are usually the most easy and most common that we can skip count by. However, you can also skip count by 3s or 4s or 7s if you know it. Go ahead and do it. So we'll start with 2s. So here we have row 2, column 1, 2 times 7. So we hold our hands out and we skip count by 2s 7 times to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 2, 7 times is 14. You can also do 5s. So here we've got row 1, column 2. So 5 times 8. So we can skip count by 5s 8 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 5, 8 times is 40. And then we also have by 10s, so that we see right here, row 1, column 1, 10 times 6. So we're going to skip count by 10, 6 times. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then for those that are maybe a little bit trickier, maybe a little bit harder to skip count by, we'll pick one right here. So we'll do 7 times 6. So Miss Sloger's going to write 7 times 6 is we don't know. So the top number, remember, is how many groups? The bottom number is how many in each group. So then you look at it and you go, okay, I'm going to draw 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to put 6 in each group. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're just going to keep going and going and going. It's a lot of 6s here. All right, so then once you've got 6 in all of your groups, you're going to count. We'll just double check, make sure we've got 6 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we've got all of them all with 6 in it. So now we're going to start counting all of the dots in all. So remember, this is the total. So this is our total of how many baby dots do we have. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember, Miss Sloger likes to keep track underneath so that way she can tell where she's messed up. So we've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So then if Miss Sloger starts going over here and she goes 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and I stop and go, well, that doesn't make sense. I know that I've already counted 6, 12. I don't have to start all over again. I can just start at 12. So we've got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. And then you can go back through and you can recount them all over again because remember we double check our answers. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. And then we know that our answer is 42. And you can flip it over, put the number 42 in where it goes, and then you're done. Well, you're not done yet. You still got to keep going.